Here is how to move your taskbar icons back to the left in Windows 11. Feel free to pause at any time. You can slow this down or speed it up with the playback speed setting, and turn subtitles on or off with the closed captions button. Method 1. Move the icons left in taskbar settings. Right-click an empty part of the taskbar, then choose Taskbar Settings. When Settings opens, scroll down and expand Taskbar Behaviors. Open the Taskbar Alignment menu and choose Left. The Start button and every icon shift to the left corner straight away. Method 2. Move the icons left with the Registry Editor. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, and press Enter. In Registry Editor, browse to the advanced key shown on screen. The full path is in the description. Keep expanding the folders until you reach Advanced. Then find a value named TaskbarAl. Double-click TaskbarAl to edit it. Set the value data to 0 for left alignment, then click OK. A value of 1 returns the icons to the center. Often the taskbar shifts to the left on its own. If it does not, restart File Explorer. Right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, then click Restart Task, and the taskbar reloads on the left. To go back, set taskbar alignment to center or change TaskbarAl back to 1. Center is the Windows 11 default. That's 2 ways to move your taskbar icons to the left. For more Windows tips, visit our website in the description.